What's up, peeps? My name is Don and welcome back to my channel. So, if you are new to this channel, consider subscribing to my channel, liking my videos, and comment down below. As always. So, today, our menu today is Denny's. So here we have fried chicken and waffles. And we got the pancake syrup, and also butter. And then we have this one, original Grand Slam. So my drink also is root beer. So let me just arrange the table first. Yeah, I forgot to mention this one's mayonnaise, and then I got some other sauces here. There's ketchup. I'm just gonna grab these sauces when I need them. So yeah, without further ado, it's chow time. Okay. I'm gonna grab the sausage. Oh boy, this is already good. I think I ate the ketchup already. Oh. The sausage is well cooked. Right there. All right. Now, I'm gonna try the bacon, but I'm gonna try also with the pancakes and bacon. So, yeah, I'm gonna pour. Ooh. Should have made a happy face. Just saying. Also, this is basically like breakfast meal. As you can see, I got the sausage that I ate a while ago, and then there's bacon, pancakes, and egg, and then we have chicken as well and waffles. So it's more like breakfast, but the drink is yeah. Yeah, try the root beer as well. Also gonna use the knife to cut. And I'm just gonna cut it into small pieces. And then we'll get the bacon. Thin sliced bacon. This one. Gonna open this. I'm gonna dip the bacon with ketchup. Using my hands now. I'd say, I think the ketchup helps remove the saltiness. So now I'm gonna munch the egg, the very well cooked rounded egg. Oh yeah, it's 2 eggs by the way. It just merged. Might as well also oh gosh, sorry, that was wrong. Oh, the egg yolk is spilling out. Yeah, the egg yolk is the best part of the egg, so might as well have to slide the egg with the egg yolk. I'm gonna try the chicken. Also, I'll open the mayonnaise. Okay, so this one's fried chicken from Denny's, and I'm gonna be using my hands. So So I'm gonna expect this to be delicious, like fried fish, because it's like fried, what it was. It's like, yeah, it's like fried fish. Because it looks unique. So yeah. Okay. And then I put some in. And we ran out of honey. I'm just gonna smear it on this pancake. Okay. Now it's time to devour everything. Wow, so good. I'd say it's sweet. Sweet and buttery. Oh. Okay. I think smearing it with the egg yolk isn't actually a good idea for me. So I'm just gonna let it stay there first. We're gonna try one more fried chicken, and then I think I'll end the video there. I'm gonna dip it with ketchup. So I think I have to wrap this video up now. So hit the subscribe button, like the videos, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Okay, bye bye.